At least 80 people have been killed and 30 others are missing in floods that have wreaked havoc across Iran for more than a week, state media. Since the start of the Iranian month on July 23, 59 people died and 30 are still missing in the incidents caused by recent floods, Secretary General of the Red Crescent Society was quoted as saying by state news agency IRNA. That is in addition to flash floods caused by heavy rains in the normally dry southern province of Fars that left at least 22 people dead just before the start of the month. He noted that 60 cities, 140 towns and more than 500 villages across the country of around 83 million people have been affected by the inundations. Iran's meteorological center on Saturday warned of more rains in the southern and northern provinces in the coming days.